Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain the most liked video on a popular online platform. We're diving into the world of viral content to uncover the video that has captured the most hearts and clicks. This incredible achievement belongs to a short, engaging piece created by a highly influential personality. It has truly set a new standard for online popularity, demonstrating the power of creative and captivating content to resonate with millions of people worldwide. The video we are discussing is titled "Would You Fly to Paris for a Baguette?" and it's a fantastic example of viral content. Created by the immensely popular online personality, Mr. Beast, this short video quickly captivated audiences. It features a seemingly simple, yet incredibly elaborate, challenge where someone is offered a trip to Paris just for a baguette. This kind of engaging and high-stakes concept is a hallmark of the creator's style, drawing in millions of viewers. So why has this particular video garnered so many likes? A major factor is the creator's massive and dedicated fan base, who eagerly engage with new content. The video's short, impactful format makes it highly shareable and rewatchable. Furthermore, its blend of humor, generosity, and an extraordinary premise appeals to a very wide audience. The sheer scale of the challenge, flying someone to Paris for a baguette, creates an irresistible sense of wonder and entertainment. This video's achievement is truly remarkable, having accumulated over 55 million likes. This incredible number propelled it past the previous record holder, a music video that had maintained its top position for more than 7 years. That former champion, Despacito, itself had over 50 million likes, demonstrating the immense popularity required to reach such heights. This new record signifies a shift in what captures the public's attention, showcasing the power of innovative and engaging short-form content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.